Welcome to another how-to video for the OptimalCloud. Service providers can define a relationship to a federated application. Service providers can be defined for SAML2, OpenID Connect, OAuth2, and WS Federation. Service providers can be created manually, via metadata, or via template. This how-to video will show how to manually create an OpenID Connect service provider. Let's create an OpenID Connect service provider. First, go to the Administration tab, and then select Service Providers, and then click on Create Service Provider. Click on Let's Get Started. We're going to choose the manual entry option, enter a name for the service provider, and contact information. Then choose the protocol. In this case, we're choosing the OpenID Connect protocol. Now that we've created the service provider, we can populate the URN, which is also known as the client ID. And we can also go to the Endpoints tab and enter in the sign-in endpoint, which is also known as the redirect URI. You can add additional redirect URI values as needed. On the Security tab, you can set the minimum authentication level, and you can edit the token lifetime. On the Authorization tab, you can create simple authorization rules for this service provider, or you can create more complex authorization rules. Creating complex authorization rules will be covered in another how-to video. On the OpenID Connect tab, you can generate a client secret, or you can enter a client secret provided by the service provider. And that's all that it takes to create an OpenID Connect service provider. Thank you for watching this how-to video on creating OpenID Connect service providers. Please check out the rest of the how-to videos and let us know if you have any questions. You can reach us at sales@optimalidm.com and at support@optimalidm.com. Thank you and have a good day.